In October 2021, the Chinese IT giant Xiaomi announced its intention to start production of its electric car in 2024. At that time, it was assumed that its premiere would take place a year earlier at best. However, according to CNEV publication, the debut will take place soon. In August, the company will demonstrate the so-called engineering prototype. It is claimed that in addition to technological solutions, the prototype will show the basic design principles of Xiaomi electric cars that have already been developed. However, it is not yet clear how close the prototype will be to the production model. Most likely, after the premiere and gathering the opinions of potential buyers, Xiaomi will begin multi-stage testing of the upcoming new product. According to the publication, it will also include cold tests. Xiaomi announced its intention to become a car manufacturer at the same time as it announced its own electric car. For this, the concern has created a separate division and intends to invest in the development of about $1 billion per year for 10 years, in addition to the initial investment of $1.5 billion. Part of these funds will be spent on the construction of our own plant for the production of machines. It will be located in Beijing and will be able to produce up to 300,000 cars per year after reaching the design capacity. In total, Xiaomi plans to develop up to 4 of its own electric car models.